Hello, Miss Stevenson. So here is the home that you sent me the work order to come clean. Just wanted to give you before and after video of the house cleaning. Alright, Miss Stevenson, here is the walkway. See some mold and mildew right over here. Here's the side of the house. There's the side, all this mold and mildew. Here is the other side of the house. Alright, Miss Stevenson. Got the house all cleaned up. We've had lots of mold over here. The front porch area. There's the walkway. That was quite black, this walkway right here. Here's the side of the house. It's one of the dirtier sides of the house. And here's the other side of the house. We got it all put clean for you, Miss Stevenson. Appreciate the work. Have yourself a great day.